People are very selective about who they give their phone number to. In fact, 95% of consumers are only subscribed to text marketing from 7 brands or fewer. And we know that growing your text message subscriber list is so important because texts consistently drive higher engagement and conversions. So how do you become one of those 7 brands? In this video, we're covering 4 proven ways to grow your text message list so you can turn subscribers into repeat customers and drive more revenue. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. Best practice number 1, using multi-step form to collect email and text message consent. Start by capturing both email and text message consent from new site visitors using a multi-step sign-up form. Ask for email first, then follow with an optional text message opt-in. This approach helps grow both channels, positions text messaging as a higher value channel, and keeps consent clear and optional. Increase signups with a layered incentive. For example, email unlocks 10% off, while email and text message consent unlocks 15% off. You can also improve submission rates with gamified signup forms. Tools like spin-to-win wheels or countdown timers create urgency and make subscribing more engaging. Finally, reduce friction by enabling smart opt-in, allowing subscribers to confirm with a simple 6-digit code. Best practice number 2, convert email subscribers into text subscribers. You likely already have an email list full of engaged shoppers who haven't joined your text message list yet. Repurpose your existing multi-step sign-up form into a text-only sign-up form. Simply clone it, delete the email field, adjust the design, and target it exclusively to existing email subscribers. Make the value clear with incentives like a discount on their next order, early access to product drops, or exclusive text-only promotions. Using a teaser and smart opt-in can make the process even easier. Best practice number 3, collect text message consent at checkout. Checkout is one of the highest intent moments in the customer journey, so it's a great time to ask shoppers if they want to receive text messages from your brand. For most e-commerce integrations, you can enable text message consent directly at checkout. This approach is effective and non-intrusive. Make sure that the checkbox is unchecked by default. And don't forget to include your text messaging disclosure language so subscribers clearly understand what they're signing up for and you stay compliant with carrier regulations. Best practice number 4, grow your text list through social media. Social media is another powerful way to grow your text message subscriber list. With Klaviyo's social auto-replies, you can turn Instagram followers into text subscribers. Followers simply comment or send a direct message with a keyword, and in just a few minutes, they're subscribed. And that's it. Use these 4 strategies to grow your text message list and turn those subscribers into long-term revenue for your business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, check out the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.